Hello guys, I am Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, so I will request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification, guys. So the next interview question, it may ask you in interview room, what is thread in Java? What is thread in Java? Okay, as per my opinion, okay. So thread means the process. Thread means a process. Thread means a process, and by using thread, we can execute multiple process at a time. Multiple process at a time. Thread means a process, guys. Okay, or we can say the smallest part of the process. Smallest part of the process that allows to execute multiple tasks simultaneously. That is thread, guys. Okay, like let's discuss with one example. Like let's say we have a class and the class name we write A97, and here suppose we write a run method. Okay, so I will say public void and run method, guys. Public void and run method. Okay, now we write a run method. Now then after this run method I want to execute, okay, in loop. Okay, so we will say integer I is equals to 1, guys. Okay, and I will say I less than is equals to 5 and I plus plus, guys. Okay, now here I will say, okay, s out. Okay, s out. Okay, we will say class A, okay, run method. Okay, something like, okay, and concatenate, I will concatenate the value of I, guys. Okay, this statement I want to execute from 1 to 5. Okay, but by taking pause. So pause we will take for like we will take pause for, okay, we will take a pause for, okay, 2 seconds, guys. So hence I will pass a 2000 millisecond here. This statement can generate an exception, hence we will surround with try and catch, guys. And now we will surround this statement in try block. Okay, we will write in try block, and this try block can generate an exception. Okay, so hence we will say which exception it may generate, interrupted exception, guys. And now here I will say s out ex. Okay, right click and format. So now this will be the class A, guys, and then suppose I write the same class, okay, like B97 class, B97. Okay, and we will say class B run method, guys. Okay, we will say ex at here and ex also at here. So now we have two run method in two different classes. Okay, two different classes we have two run method, guys. So how we will call this run method, guys? So we need to create the object of, okay, a class, okay, A97 class A1, and new we will say A97. Okay, and then we will create the object of B97, guys. Okay, so now then after, okay, we will call run method. Okay, we will call run method. Okay, so we will say a1 dot run method and b1 dot run method, guys. So we are calling this run method, okay, without using, okay, what we will say, guys, without using thread. So we are calling both of this run method but without using thread, guys. So if I run this, so now you will see, guys, you will get output. Okay, you will get output like, okay, first of all the run method of class A, okay, will get execute, will complete its execution. Okay, then after it will give chance to the class B run method, guys. Okay, now you will see, guys, total execution time will take, okay, 20 seconds, guys. Okay, because we are taking pause for 2 seconds. Okay, so hence 2 into 5 will be 10 seconds and 2 into 5 will be 10 seconds, guys. So total execution time will be 20 seconds. But if I call it this run method by using threads, okay, by using thread, okay, by using threads, so see, guys, so what will be the output? So to create a thread in Java, we have to use thread class, thread T1, we will say new, okay, thread, new thread. Okay, and in thread class constructor I will pass the object of A1, but now thread class constructor, okay, will generate an error because thread class, okay, okay, require the object of runnable class. Okay, runnable class, hence we will say implements runnable. Okay, so what we will say, guys, okay, thread we can create okay, only for runnable class, only for runnable class. What is runnable class? Okay, runnable class, guys. Okay, runnable class. Okay, runnable class means the class, okay, which is the subclass of runnable interface, guys. Okay, directly or indirectly. Now we will create thread for, okay, thread for class B, okay, B97. So now once again you will see guys, so we are getting an error, because class B97 is not a runnable class. So hence we will say implements, what we will say guys, runnable. Okay, now you can see guys, so we can create thread, okay, we are going to thread, okay, thread, okay, allowing the object of, okay, A1, allowing the object of A class and B class guys. Okay, now we have to start, we want to start the execution, okay, we want to start the execution of run method. How we will start the execution of run method guys? So I will comment at here, because okay, we are calling this run method without using thread, but suppose we want to call this run method without using, with using thread, guys. So we have to say t1. T1 is the object of thread, okay, and thread we have created for A1. A1 is the object of A97. So now we will say t1 dot start, and then we will say t2 dot start guys. Okay, now you will see guys, okay, both the thread, okay, will start its execution simultaneously. You can see guys, okay, class A run method, class B run method, class A run method, class B run method, class A run method, class B run method, something like this is okay. And the total execution time will take 10 seconds guys. So in 10 seconds we are executing, okay, two classes run method, okay, the run method of class A and the run method of class B guys. So simultaneously, okay, simultaneously. Hence, okay, here we said a thread is a process, or we can say the smallest part of the process that allows to execute multiple tasks simultaneously guys. Got it guys? So this is called thread in Java guys. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Okay, happy coding. Okay, thank you guys.